Hey guys, good to see you again. For today's video, I'm gonna show you my way of cooking sinigang using pork ribs and lots of vegetables. This is so comforting, especially this rainy season. Some of you may already visit the Philippines and tried it, so if you liked it, then here's how to do it. This is so easy, just follow along, let's go. First, we're gonna heat the pan with oil and saute onions and tomato. Toss and turn it for a couple of seconds before adding the pork ribs. Sauteing food offers benefits like enhanced flavor through caramelization and browning, improved nutrient absorption by cooking in a small amount of fat, and nutrient retention due to quick high-heat cooking methods. It's a fast, relatively healthy method that uses less oil than deep frying, resulting in food that is less greasy, has a crisp, tender texture, and maintains its natural freshness. So, I'll always prefer this method rather than boiling and using the bony parts of the meat instead of pure flesh or meat, simply because it is the tastier part. I'm sure you know that too. After a couple of minutes, our meat releases its natural juice, so unable to trap some of those natural flavor, we will cover it. Just make sure that you constantly check before it gets burned. Add water just enough to soak all the pork ribs. Then put the cover on, let it boil for a couple of minutes to tenderize. Now it's boiling for 10 minutes. Time to check if we can chew it. Okay, I'm sure we can. Now let's add the vegetables. First the cocoyam, or locally known as gabi in the Philippines. This will generate a thick sour sauce to our dish, which is exactly what we are looking for. Then, able to achieve the real sour sauce, we will add this sour powder in our dish. You can either use this powder or the one that is locally available in your country. Vinegar is not an option here. Don't use that. Well, let it simmer for about 5 minutes. Then after that, we can now add the other vegetables like okra, eggplant, and radish, the softer ones. Gabi is a hard veggies that require much time to tenderize. Let it sit there for 3 minutes, then add salt and pepper according to your preference. Finally, we can now add the kangkong or water spinach or other leafy veggies available in your local area. Now, we're ready to go. I hope that you learned something from me today. Thank you so much if you made this far in this video. I just wish that I will know where in the part of the world you are watching. Just type in the comment section and see you in my next video.